In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell items on the Steam market. Whether you're looking to declutter your digital inventory or make a bit of extra cash, I'll guide you through each step of the process to ensure your items are listed quickly and easily. Let's start by making sure you have the Steam application open on your device. If you haven't already, you'll want to go ahead and launch it. Once the app is open, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll find the login button. Click on it and prepare to enter your credentials. Now enter your Steam account name and password. This ensures that you are accessing your account securely. It's always a good idea to double check your information to prevent any login issues. Following this, click on the sign in button. Wait a few moments while the system logs you in and you'll be taken to your Steam homepage. With the homepage loaded, take a look towards the top of the screen where you'll see your profile name. Click on it and from the drop down menu that appears, select Inventory. This is where your items, including any trading cards you might have, are stored. Once inside your inventory, take note of the trading cards you have. If you have quite a few, you may want to organize them or identify the ones you are ready to sell. Click through the cards and decide which ones you'd like to put on the market. To list a card, click on it to bring up more details. There you'll find an option labeled Sell. Click on this button and a new window will appear, guiding you through the selling process. In this window, you'll need to specify the amount you're willing to accept for the card. This is where the buyer pays field comes into play. Enter the amount, but do keep in mind that Steam may take a small cut as part of their transaction fees. Once you've entered your preferred sale price, confirm the details are correct. If everything looks good, click on OK, put it up for sale. This action officially lists your item on the Steam market, making it visible to all potential buyers. After you've listed your cards, navigate over to the Community tab on Steam. Here, select Market to view all of your current listings. This area allows you to monitor the status of your items, including how long they've been listed and if they've been sold. And that's it. You've now successfully listed your items on the Steam market. Keep an eye on your listings to manage them efficiently. Happy selling, and may the Steam sales be ever in your favor.